Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Now I'll show you how to make the alternating square knot. You're only going to work with 3 strands at a time, and the other one you're just going to push off to the side. So you have your 3 strands here. The middle one of the 3 is going to be the carrier. This is the same as the square knot. You're going to put the outer one is going to be the loop, the first loop. You're going over, under, and through, the same as the square knot, except it's only on one carrier line. And take it up to the top. And then alternate and put the loop on the other side of the carrier, going up and through. Now when you have one square knot completed, you're going to push the outer strand aside, and now you're going to work with these 3 strands. This will become, the center one will become the carrier, and the outer one will be the first loop. So there's our first loop. We're going over, under, and through. And when we pull our knot up, this part is going to create a little bit of a loop hanging out. And you'll see as the bracelet, as we continue, that loop will make a pretty lacy effect. So there's our second part of our square knot. Okay, now we finished that square knot. We're going to put this one aside, and now we're going to work with these 3 strands. The outer strand is the first loop, going up and through. When we pull our knot up, we're going to leave this strand just making a little bit of a loop there. Now we do our inner one to finish our square. And pull the knot up. Now we put this one aside, and we're working with these 3 strands.